Well, hello guys. Today, Peepaw and we're spending a night at the Pilot Knob Inn in Pinnacle, North Carolina. And we have rented one of the cabins here. So why don't you guys come along with us and see what this inn looks like? Come on, let's go.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret.
So we're at the Yadkin Valley honeymoon cabin. And this whole inn is right adjacent to the Pilot Mountain State Park. But here's our front porch. And this is attached to the actual rest of the inn, where you can see you can go right here around this way to the breakfast room. And then this is the view.
Ladies, I never loved you quite enough. There in the moment, in my white dress, an overwhelming second of regret. Driving on a freeway with no exit signs, losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited.
This cabin has one of the king-size beds. These have all been made from old tobacco barns. Tastefully done. One thing to note is your bathroom is on the main level. They do have a pool, but I imagine with COVID it's been closed. Wonder if this is like a sauna. It's pretty neat. There is a little bit of road noise though, because Highway 52 is running right there. But you know, this is where that heavenly hideaway room is here, and it has like a 6-person hot tub, I think, in it. And so this is like your own private, I guess the best way to describe it is walled-in porch, probably, because the sauna and everything's out there. And then over there in the woods, you can see that there is a picnic little pavilion. The porches are set up super nice, where you can just sit there and have a good evening after you go do some walking around. And I guess there's probably about 6 of these old tobacco barns that they've renovated into different cabins here.
All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough.
And when you come this way, guys, look at the view. There's Pilot Knob Mountain right there. That's the Rock Dome. And this inn's entrance is basically right across from the State Park Road. And this is the breakfast room. Very pretty. I love their old tables. Look at that. I'm walking down to the picnic pavilion here. Getting some of my steps in. It's a little less loud over here. A little further away from that road. But if you wanted to have a picnic dinner here, and we ordered using the Mayberry Takeout app, and we'll see how it is. We've ordered a dinner from 13 Bones. Get there, guys. I'm trying to be quiet because do you see the deer? So this is the private lake where you can fish.
I just saw a fish break right out there.
Yeah.
That's a private residence.
And if you go out in the canoe or the boats, you're supposed to get life jackets from the office. But this is a good sized little lake. And I hear the thunder.
Came down, and then this is the national swinging bridge state trail right there.
Yeah. And I noticed on the way in, when we were driving in, that it said to be careful because there were hikers and horseback riders. And if you look right here, it says that this is a state horseback riding trail. It probably connects over to the state park too. The rain came. Listen to it. It's awesome. We got back in just in time before it really started coming down a little bit. Deepaw's got some red wine.
Yep.
Sitting on the porch, watching and listening to the rain.
All this time waiting for a season where everything felt right. All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile.
Hello, friends, and thanks for giving us your time. And please drop us a comment because we just love getting those. But more importantly, keep going out and exploring. Life matters. We hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.